to Mantra 108. Let's see, we are on our 12th day, yes? Yeah, we're on our 12th day of practice for our Ganesha Mula Mantra. So I'll wait just a couple minutes, get myself seated here. Wait just a couple minutes for people to find me and for us to get our practice started this morning. Have a nice little sip of tea. So in this day, I wake up to a little bit more heat and sunshine in my neck of the woods. Wondering what you're feeling there, wherever you're coming from. So a reminder that this Ganesha Mula Mantra is the root mantra for Ganesha, and it attunes with the energy of removing obstacles, and it offers us the grace to bring all of those disparate parts of ourselves, all of those vrittis, those internal turbulences of our thoughts and our emotions, the vrittis of our citta. Our citta is our heart, mind, field of energy. So this mantra helps to bring all of those troubling thoughts, frustrating, roiling thoughts and emotions into a little bit better balance, so that we can have more control over moving away from dualistic thinking and moving more toward our Purusha, our inner light of awareness that reminds us that we are non-dual. We are not separate from the divine. We are an expression of the divine. We are part of the divine. So I'll get started. Today we are going to talk about Preem. Preem is the root mantra for Kali. And I thought it would be nice to read once again from this book by Sally Kempton. Let me look at one thing here. Okay. So this nice book called Awakening Shakti, the Transformative Power of the Goddesses of Yoga. So we'll talk about Kali today. So I love, I don't know who this is by, who this is a quote by, but I love this quote about Kali. It says, Isaac spent all his time reading in a dark house, refusing to go out into the sunshine. His next door neighbor was a hidden spiritual master who periodically dropped by to say to Isaac, don't spend your whole life hunched over your desk in this dark room. Get out and look at the sky. Isaac would nod and keep on reading. Then one day, his house caught fire. Grabbing what possessions he could, he ran outside. There, he saw the master pointing upwards. Look, said the master, sky. In this story, there are 3 elements that represent the process of awakening: the fire, the master, and the sky. Kali is all of them. So that's pretty much Kali in a nutshell. We encounter Kali in these dramatic moments of our lives, these fires, these COVID crises, these different dramas that come into our life to really heighten our awareness. Kali is the master. She's our teacher. She teaches us many things about ourselves, about our ego, about our fears, about our defenses. And Kali is the sky. Kali is also ultimate beauty and liberation. So, let's see, what do I want? There's so much juicy stuff to read about Kali. So let me go right here. There are two faces of Kali. Kali appears differently depending on the level of consciousness with which you approach her. Anthropologists note that there are two basic versions of Kali in popular Indian religion. There is the village or forest Kali, where she and her alter ego forms such as Bhadra Kali, Chamundi, and Bhairava are often seen as goddesses of the margins, scary, half-demonic forest deities. They are invoked for protection and magical purposes by mostly the uneducated tribal people. Often in nighttime rituals and seasonal dances in which goddess-possessed worshippers enact the myths with lots of shouting and roaring, fueled by home-distilled local liquor. Black magicians worship this same aspect of Kali with mantras for the sake of acquiring magical powers and killing enemies. In Nepal, as in many parts of Bengal, Kali worship is accompanied by animal sacrifice, and her temples often smell of the blood of goats. In more modern, urban Hindu religious practices, Kali is Kali Ma, Mother Kali, a benign and loving source of energy, a benign and loving source of every kind of boon and blessing. This is how Kali appears in American Kali temples and on the website for Kali Mandir in Laguna Beach, California. At this level, her wildness is interpreted symbolically. The skulls around her neck are not dead victims, but the letters of the Sanskrit alphabet, through which she manifests both liberating mantras and deluding ideas. Remember the goddess's dual nature as both the force that binds us and the force that sets us free. So both liberating and constricting, or constricting or putting that face of ourselves right in our face, to acknowledge and duel with our ego sense. The way we see Kali at any given moment has everything to do with where we are in our journey. Whether Kali seems terrifying, fascinating, or loving depends on our state of consciousness and our level of both emotional and spiritual development. but she always invites us to a radical form of ego transcendence. And then finally, I'll read what Kempton says about in what circumstances we may wish to invoke Kali. She says, invoke Kali for transformative strength, for burning limitations and karmic veils, for purifying the inner body and the chakras, for awakening the Kundalini energy and inspiring her to rise, for discovering the truth in a confusing situation, for letting go of outmoded structures or egoic tendencies, for seeing into the mysteries of life and death, for all forms of enlightenment, especially the kind in which we move from the relative to recognition of the absolute reality, purifying and strengthening the heart, and for transcendent ecstasy in meditation, in lovemaking, or in the midst of trouble, in the midst of chaos. So Kali is a very complex goddess, a very complex energy. And I will say that she's nothing to take on unless you have a proper, this is my opinion, she's nothing to take on unless you have a proper guru to help you to negotiate this huge field of energy, this huge, very complex field of energy. But in our mantra, Krim is one of our seed mantras that we begin this Ganapati mantra with, and this Ganesha mantra. And so I wanted to acknowledge this energy of Kali that's in our mantra. So many energies in this one mantra, so many opportunities for grace in this one mantra. So by chanting our first line, which includes the Prim Bij mantra, this Kali Bij mantra, seed mantra, we are touching into this energy of Kali. So with that, we'll get started. Go ahead and close down your eyes. Find that grounding, that feeling of grounding to the Earth Mother. Dropping your grounding cords that are either there at your sitting bones or there at the soles of your feet, depending upon whether you're sitting in a chair or on the ground. Let those grounding cords extend all the way into the earth. Be present with the energy at the core of the earth. Draw that energy up. All the way into that root chakra. And then move your awareness up to your crown, Open that crown to the sky, to the heavens. And draw the awareness of that energy down also into your body. Let these two energies create a marrying of earth and sky, mother and father, yin and yang, in your own body. Then begin to soften by releasing the shoulders down away from your ears, softening your skin and your muscles, bringing that soft energy to your heart, to your mind. Let's create an intention this morning to be open more than ever to the grace of this mantra, to the grace of bringing all of the disparate parts of ourselves into balance. And we'll take an inhale together to begin. Om Shrim Rim Grim Glaum Gaum Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Om Shrim Rim Grim Glaum Gaum Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Om Shrim Rim Grim Glaum Gaum Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Om Shrim Rim Grim Glaum Gaum Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Om Shrim Rim Grim Glaum Gaum Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Om Shrim Rim Grim Glaum Gaum Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Om Shrim Rim Grim Glaum Gaum Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Om Shrim Rim Grim Glaum Gaum Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Om Shrim Rim Grim Glaum Gaum Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Om Shrim Rim Grim Glaum Gaum Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Om Shrim Rim Grim Glaum Gaum Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं Gam Ganavataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Om Shrim Rim Krim Glam Gam Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Om Shrim Rim Krim Glam Gam Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Sit in the silence of your vibration, of your sound vibration. The silence of your mantra. That brings us to the end of our practice today. So there's a lot to think about when we think about Kali. And so you might contemplate today whether you need a little bit more of that fierce Kali energy in your life, or whether you need a little bit more of the loving Kali Ma in your life. Just some things to think about. I will see you tomorrow morning for our 22nd day of our practice. See you tomorrow morning. Have a wonderful day. Sending love out to everybody.